Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today, sis, with an unboxing. Just a little disclaimer, I wound up having to rush out of town, but before I left, I got some of my happy mail from Goldmine and Coco. So I grabbed all my stuff. It literally came in this huge envelope. And I grabbed it and I brought it with me. Oh, first let me tell you what I got was, I'm so excited about it, is my A5 planner. You ready for it, sis? Dun, 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 dun. Yes, girl. Okay, this is my A5. Get it opened up. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh, look how pretty she is. Oh, wow. This is really, really nice. That's the front. This is the back. It's an A5 black diamond quilted vegan rings agenda cover. So this is the cover. Has a little snaps. So pretty. And look, even the button says GMCC for Goldmine and Coco. And you open it up and says, voila, here it is. It's got the little slots for your little planner cards. Here's the rings. Got your little zippers and additional pockets. This thing is so nice. And then you got a couple of other pockets here. You have your pen holder, which I did order me some new pens. So I'll have to show you when all of that comes. But I did also, at the time that I ordered the pens, you guys, I don't know if I'm even going to be able to show you guys this. But, and I'm sorry, I have the, my tripod sitting on the hotel bed. So it's kind of hard for me to zoom in, zoom out, but I'm going to open this up. I ordered me some markers that I can use for my planner. And these are, I got them off of Etsy. So I really, really like them. It's a huge bag of 72 different markers. And they're kind of like two-way markers. Oh, there, this is the name of the company. BE-KWON. I don't know if my camera's focusing on that or not, but right here, BE-KWON. And it's like a double-sided kind of marker, like you have your fine tip there. And then it snaps closed, and on this end, you have your larger felt tip. Well, not felt tip. What do you call this? I guess a wedge tip. And then you just snap it back together. And I got this one. It was the, these were the classic colors. So, yeah, that happened. Maybe I'll stick these in here. I don't know, girl. I don't even know how I'm going to actually, oh, how you do? Oh, this peels apart. See? Just kind of pull it apart. I got interested in this, as I told you guys on my other videos, from the HeartsAndaPlan. So Brittany, who I follow on her beauty and wig channel, we are wig-based sisters, and she also has a separate planning channel. So that's how I got into this. Now these, oh my God, these are so pretty. Let's open them. These are the dashboards for my planners. I got 4 of them in the bundle. See, let's see, we're going to take a look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are double, so these are so nice. Like the material, this isn't like just paper. It's like really, really nice materials. Almost feels a little, I don't know what this material would be called, guys. I'm not, you know, a professional at this, but it almost feels like plastic, but not quite plastic. It's nicer. And look, it's kind of, it's not real flimsy, but it's very nice, and it's very soft to the touch. But this one says, keep winning. You'll be amazed at what you attract after you start believing in what you deserve. Bloop. That is too cute. And then on the back side of this dashboard, look at that. Girl, get your light. These are double-sided. That is so cute. Now, if I haven't mentioned it before, but the owner of Goldmine and Coco is Felicia Gurllllll, and she is African American, so this is a Black-owned business. If you guys are interested in starting, you know, to plan your life out and you want to support a Black-owned business, this is the one, sis. I do have a discount code that will save you 10% off on Goldmine and Coco products. My code is Weezy10. And I will leave that in the description box, okay? So then on the back side of this dashboard, it says excuses will always be there, but opportunities won't. Opportunities will not. Saying no to excuses, opportunity knocks. I love that. This one says, I am the gold mine. Move in silence. Let your success make the noise. Hustle harder. Y'all see that? Girl, that is beautiful. I love it. And oh, these two are two of my favorite Goldmine and Coco dolls. I mean, she just be bringing it to the people. Y'all see that? Look at them hips. Yes, girl. This one says, we are defined by the moments we seize. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Okay. Let me say this again for the people in the back. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Grind mode. And that's that on that, as my kids say. This is the Peyton dolls. Peyton is actually mirrored after Felicia. Like, this is her character. And this one says, the difference between you and them is the extra mile. Be extra. Yes, girl. Look at them boots. Look at them bags and them heels. I'm all about the extra. So let me flip on the back. Look at these trunk pieces. See, those are the outfits that these two girls have on. And I do believe I have the trunk pieces for these, so you will see them in the future, these outfits in my planner. But this one says, girl boss, ambitious women, driven to succeed, an unstoppable force that continuously steps out on faith daily. Yes, dress up, show up, never give up. Okay, and this one says, it's the melanin for me. Hey, melanin. It's the melanin for me too, sis. Look at that. Girl. And then on the back of here, I love this doll also. It says, beautiful. Imperfection is perfection to a beautiful perspective. Beautiful, powerful, and fearless. So the next thing I have, this is the weekly planner. And this didn't come in the bundle, I don't believe. I think I purchased this separately. Let's see. Work and home weekly planner inserts. Yeah. So I wanted to try these because I thought, let me see, where do I open them at? Because I thought this would be the one that would fit best for my lifestyle. Okay. So this is what my weekly inserts are. It says this planner belongs to, so you know I'm going to put Weezy. And then this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and put it, well, no, because I'm not going to close this yet. But I thought this one would be nice because it says to buy. Yeah, I'm always buying stuff, so that'll help me there. My deadlines and important things that I need to do. This says home and work. And then as you can see, it has, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the days of the week. And then over here is a to-do section for the week. And then I can put whatever I need to put in there. This one is kind of a heads up for next week, what I need to focus on. So I just thought that, and I think what I'm going to do with this, because I really don't need to plan anything for work, because as many of you know, I'm a registered nurse. I work in the operating room. So I really don't need to plan any tasks for for my full-time job, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to say YouTube or social media. And then what I'm going to do in these areas is plan, you know, like the videos that I'm going to be making for the week, or the editing, whatever I need to do for my channel is going to go down in this section. Instead, you know, that's all I'm going to do is change the work to reflect what I need to do for my social media. So the next thing that I got, these came in the bundle. These are, girl, my mind just went blank. What do they call these? These are like tabs. And I think you get 6 of them in here. So I'll use these somehow to organize. Like I'm planning, I think I'm gonna have a section that'll be like my weekly section. I'm going to be doing budgeting, so I have a section for budgeting, my monthly kind of overview section. And so I'll use these to separate the different areas within my planner. Y'all, this is going to be a whole process, sis. So just stay tuned. We're going to work it all out. And I'm going to bring y'all with me. Okay, so this one is really nice. It says Progress Perfection. I like that. And these tabs, man, these are really nice. Look at that. They have a nice shine or luster to them. Boy, these are beautiful. I mean, she goes all out with the quality of these things. You know how your mom would say, like, don't half do something. If you got to put your name on it, then you want her done right the first time. That's how I feel like the quality of these things are. Like, she took great pride in developing these and designing them. This one is awesome. It says, okay, opportunity knocks. Look at that. That's very nice. So this one is nice. It says grind hard, shine harder. Yes, hunty. Yes, love it. This one says mindset shift. So yes, get your mind right. Pivot when you need to pivot. Down here it says mindset is a noun, a fixed attitude, disposition, or mood. This one says W. Hey, for wealth. Yes, we want to all receive wealth. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. All right, this one's G for gratitude. What flows out of you comes back to you abundantly. The energy you give is the energy you receive. Now, I like that because this reminds me of you have what you say. So whatever you speaking, that's what you gonna have. So what are you speaking into your life, sis? That's what this reminds me of. I'm always mindful of that. Sometimes I have to be like, wait, hold up, sis. What you talking about? You got to get your mind right, girl. Because you're going to have what you say. So what are you speaking into your life? Okay, and then the last part of my bundle is actually the monthly calendar. So this is going to start 2021, my monthly planning for that. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, so flip it over. Oh, this is nice. So you got January. You got important things you need to do for the month, what dates those need to occur, your bills, when they're due, any events on what date you're doing them. That's really nice. This paper is thick. This ain't no cheap stuff, y'all. Okay, and so then here it has January 2021. It's already dated for us. It shows you a little calendar down here in the bottom so that you can see the dates for February if you need to, you know, start planning ahead for any of that. You have an area over here for your notes. So this is really nice. And the thing I love about the A5 planner, you guys, is just how compact it is. Like, I can throw this in my purse and roll with it. Okay, so then basically it's the exact same setup for each month. This is the February important things. I can definitely decorate on the back sides here. And then I go into the month of February and start, you know, jotting down the things that I need to have done that month. Now, I like this because you see how in the gray, it shows you like the important dates like Groundhog Day, President's Day, and Mardi Gras Carnival. So it shows you like the holidays or important dates of the year. The only very most important date that it did miss in February is February the 1st. Like that date, the whole square needs to be highlighted because that is the most important date of the year. It's my birthday, sis. All right, so pretty much it's got, you know, the whole year like this. So that's really nice. So you can get a quick view of your month on your monthly planner, and then you can go into your weekly. And then I'm going to be looking, I did order, it just hasn't arrived yet, some stuff for my finances and my bills. Because I need to start doing that. I need to start tracking like all the crap that I order on Amazon and just online period, because I'm always ordering something and then I forget what I ordered, and I don't know if I done got all my stuff I ordered or not, y'all, because I can't keep up with myself. So I'm definitely going to be getting a section in my planner that I will be able to keep track of my orders and when I receive them and start getting my things together for tax purposes. Okay, guys, and so the final thing that I got in the bundle were these journaling cards. So you get 48 of them, and they have little different sayings on them. This one says, be a legend. I'll show you a few more. I'm not gonna show you all 48, but what we think we become. And they're like little inspirational things. And then I guess you can write maybe things you have to do or something on the back. I'm not sure how to use journaling cards. Like I said, I'm still a newbie at this, so I'm going to have to find out. And Goldmine and Coco, they do have a Facebook page that you can join, and the women on there are so awesome. I absolutely love them. So they will definitely teach me everything I need to know for planning. They do lives all the time, and I'm so excited to be, like I said, on this journey. But this says, take your victories, whatever they may be, cherish them, use them, but don't settle for them. Maya Ham. Beautiful. You are strong. These kind of remind me of, you know how you put like sticky notes on your mirror or in your room just so that you remind yourself to think and speak positively, and it's like you encourage your dang own self. That's what these remind me of. But anyway, you guys, thanks for joining me. I love you guys to pieces. Stay tuned for this planner journey that I'm going to be going on and adding to the channel as part of my lifestyling vlog. I'm going to be doing a few other extra things besides just wigs. So I hope you guys will be interested in those videos as well. And yeah, that's kind of what I got planned. All right, guys, have a very blessed week. And remember, sis, what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'll see you guys on the next video.